Hi, I'm Rick. So let's say you have a big task to deal with and you find a way to get started. And as many of us with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder have discovered, once we're started, it can be much easier to just keep going and going. We get that momentum. We can get into hyperfocus, not noticing that we could use a bathroom break. Or I remember hearing the story of the writer who was so locked in writing like a house was on fire. She didn't notice that her house was on fire until her dog, which was going nuts, finally got her attention. I don't have a dog, but I get it. So lost in what I'm doing, everything disappears and it's just me and the page. Hours go by and it feels like minutes. It could be me working on something I'm building or a puzzle I'm working on. But getting into that zone, into the state of bliss that they call flow, is blissful. The ideas pour out of me as fast as I can type, and I'm a fast typer. And then I hit a roadblock, which I inevitably will, a pause, and the ideas suddenly stop. I'm now thinking, I said, what next should I, what if he could? And in short order, I'm stuck. And then I'm agitated. So I get up and I go for a quick snack. And that gravitates into watching the Maltese Falcon for the 10th time. Oh, and look what's on after it, and after it. Getting stalled and abandoning what you're doing, vowing to come back later, doesn't just apply to writing. It can be preparing a meal, downsizing your wardrobe, writing a proposal, planning a big event, planning a small event, planning a vacation, just getting out the door to buy food. It's easy to get stuck and derailed. So if I stop when I'm stuck, when I've run out of ideas for the moment, when I do come back to it later and look at what I was writing the next day usually, oh, right, not the best way to start the day. So here's a trick another writer taught me to get back up to speed in seconds when you're returning to an unfinished task. Like me and most of us, he used to write and then he'd stop when he got stuck. So what he learned to do when it was getting time to take a break, he'd stop when he didn't want to stop. He did what now? When he was writing and he suddenly had a great idea, oh, that's good, and couldn't wait to write it out. Instead, he just wrote out the gist of the idea, enough to trigger his memory. Just a few words, and then he'd force himself to stop for lunch or until the next morning, just as he was on a roll. But the payoff came after lunch or the next morning when he returned and he sat down to continue and he picked up where he'd left off and he read the gist of the idea. Oh yeah, this is good. This is really good. This is going to be great. And then he would start writing because he was inspired. It was wonderful. Instantly, he's back in the flow because he's got something exciting to come back to. Now, this is great if you're writing or doing anything that involves a lot of thinking or a lot of factors to consider or things to gather. So rather than wait to abandon a task, to stop doing what you're doing when you finally run out of steam and you can't go any farther or you hit an unexpected snag, a mental roadblock, writer's block, whatever, rather than just stop then, stop earlier. Stop when you are getting close to done, but oh, this is good. I'll just bang this off. Or I'm cleaning the room. There's so much still to do. That's an easy win. I'll just do that last quick thing. No, wait till tomorrow. Come back to it. You start off with a quick win, with a quick victory. You get momentum and you move forward. Because with ADHD, momentum is everything. Once you start, once you're on a roll, it's so much easier to keep going. So give yourself an easy win, something fun, something exciting, something that'll make a dramatic difference in cleaning up the room, whatever. End before the high note so you can come back and start at the high note. Let me know if this helps. Do like, share, comment, and you can subscribe to the channel. You can also subscribe to our Friday Funnies. Thanks for listening. And oh, I have one more great thing, but I'll save it for another video.